Hey guys, this is Daddy GP and Teresi TV. May bagong update po yung Cryptozoon. Ito, nakita nyo yung interface niya, bago yung UI niya. Tapos may pending zone and pending yan. Makikita natin yan sa kanilang update. Tingnan natin sa Twitter nila. Cryptozoon BSC. We have updated some new features, addition, and release date for version 3.1. 2 hours pa yung update niya. May Honey Farm, Honeymoon X, Cryptozoon BSC. New post tomorrow on Honeymoon. Stake Moon, Earn Zone, Stake Yag /BNB, Earn Moon. Active on September 5th, 1300 UTC. It means today, September 5 sa Pilipinas. So, i-click na natin yung link nila. Ito, additional details for version 3.1. So we have updated some new features addition. Release date for version 3.1 beginning September 5, which means today. We'll get proportionally divided moon tokens worth 200,000 over the course of 6 weeks. So tignan natin yan. Beginning from September 5, 10 AM EST, in order to satisfy the players, the demand for Super Zones will begin selling energy stone and third open sale in quantities of 5,000 fusion stone and 3,000 Proteus stone. So expect massive buying on fusion stone and Proteus stone. Ayun. It's beginning from September 5, 10 AM. Here's the countdown that players may fight monsters every 8 hours. So, 8 oras na po yung attacking natin. Hindi na every 4 hours. Hindi na stressful. So, in order to reduce gas fee, so sabi nila, since Super Zone will get a 20% increase in reward when fighting monsters and 20% increase in hash rate when joining the farming NFT. So, to increase the reward for community, users have to withdraw Super Zone and re-enter them into the farm. So gusto mo yung Super Zone mo mapa-farm lang. So same rin, monster 20%, yung farm 20% rin. So we have made buyback YAG and add BNB to the liquidity pool to deflate and increase liquidity for YAG. So nakita nyo yung transaction hash at bscscan.com. So the Zone training alpha is published operational next week. So next week, the new NFT will be upgraded in this manner. Zoan items will be available for purchase in training mode. In this new training feature, you may improve Zoan using items to have the greatest fighting power. Players will need YAG to participate. So hintay natin yung YAG. So parang may gagawin sila sa YAG. So yun. Tingnan nyo yung bago. 8 hours na. Nag-time na ako. So 11 PM dito, tapos ko yung cooldown is 3 AM. Hindi ko na kaya yan, natutulog na ako yan. So yung mga monsters nila iniba na, hindi na yung mga zombie, yung skeleton. So iniba na nila yung UI, iniba nila yung design. Yung parati kong attack si Hellbugger at saka si Batty yun, dalawa. Kasi parang malaking chance na mananalo ako nun compared to ni Spiny Snail at saka ni Blinker. Ito, Batty. Malaking chance kung mananalo yan. So, ito yung class ko, ay yung pet ko, dalawang slime, puro rare 1. I have level 2, rare 1, level 3, rare 1. So, ito, may farm na. Nakikita natin yan last week ka lumabas. Ito yung YAG 411. Hindi ko alam bakit mayroon akong YAG. Baka bonus yung doon nakita natin sa update nila. May may ibibigay sila. So, thank you. And I hope you like the update of the Cryptozoon. So hintay natin, baka may update na naman next week kung anong bago nilang follow. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.